Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here at the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. So the euro yen has been pretty sideways so far this week. We don't have a breaker structure to the upside yet, so we really can't confirm any move to the upside yet. It is definitely very bearish, and if you go up to the higher time frames, it's still pretty bearish also. I still think this whole thing right here looks extremely corrective, so there's still a pretty good chance that it is going to go up and make a wave C of wave B when it's ready. But going down to the sort of time frames, like I said, this is definitely not confirmed any move to the upside yet. We could probably say that this 5 ways down is over because we're getting higher lows. And if it is over, it probably will go up and take out this high right here. I just like to mention that there's no confirmation because it doesn't have to do that. It could keep drifting down very easily. But with the higher lows, you would kind of expect it to go up. And if it does go up, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. Then I would look for 3 waves up. I'd look for a pulse down at a Fibonacci level for possibly another entry to go short until we get some sort of a confirmation that this really has turned up on the much higher time frames. We really should continue to be pretty bearish on these sort of time frames, looking for potentially 3-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces to go short again for the continuation, possibly, of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.